Hello guys, welcome to this video. And so in this video, I'll show you a VS Code theme editor where you can actually make your own themes and simply install them inside VS Code. So this is a third-party website. I have given this link in the description of the video. So simply go to this VS Code theme generator, and now it allows you to simply manipulate all the features right here, such as the font size. You can activate whichever font size you want. So after you are happy, you can toggle this to be a dark theme or light theme, and you can randomize the color combination. If you click the this button right here, randomize, so it will give you random color combinations. So if you are interested in whatever color combination, and you can even select your own colors as well. So we have all these color combinations are there, so you can select any color combination. You can use this color picker to actually control what will be the syntax highlighting, what sort of keyword you want to give. So it's an advanced editor. It gives you all the options, or you can click randomize button, which shows you the live preview as well, so it can control the size of the. So here you can even search whatever theme that you want to generate. Likewise, regenerate colors. So now if you are happy about this, it gives you this button to export this to a VS Code extension. So as soon as you click this, a VSCode file will be downloaded. And now what you need to do, you need to simply install this from your extension. Simply select. After selecting it, you will see your extension will be activated. So this is the extension right here that we installed, generated theme. You can select, this is your color combination that you selected right here. You will see it's very easy to activate. You can export them into a VS Code extension, and then you can simply activate it inside your VS Code. So in this easy way, you can basically make your own VS Code extension with all the color combination, as you can see. So it's a very useful website. I've given this website in the description of the video. Here you can make your own VS Code themes and export them and install it inside your VS Code. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.